Morning, second grade. Happy Tuesday. I'm going to show you exactly what you should be doing today for math. So first you're going to start on Power School. There will be this welcome video, obviously, that you're watching posted here as well. Then the next thing you're going to do is watch this even and odd mini lesson with a base 10 frame. So you'll want to watch this video, and it kind of explains the lesson that you'll be doing today, at least one of the lessons you'll be doing today, and a little bit about even and odd numbers. So make sure you watch that. To the right, you're going to see a to-do list for today. So first, video. Obviously, you guys are already doing that. Next, watch the mini lesson on even and odds using a 10 frame, which we just went over. Next, there is going to be an activity called splitting the chain on Seesaw, odd and even numbers, and odd and even worksheet. So I'm going to head to Seesaw and show you those activities. Okay. So first we'll talk about the splitting the chain activity. That's going to be right here. So the directions say determine if a number is even or odd by making a chain with your cubes and splitting them in half. You can just draw cubes. If each cube has a partner, it's even. If one cube does not have a partner, it is odd. Move the number tiles to even or odd circle upon your decision. So when you're ready, you're going to go ahead and hit add response. And here is your 10 frame. So the first number we'll do is number 1. So when you're ready and you've decided what 1 is, you'll click on it and move it. But let me go back. So I have 1 cube. So I'm going to draw 1. So the directions said if 1 cube does not have a partner, it is odd. So we know that for cube 1 is going to be odd because there's no partner for this one. So we will move this into the odd section, just like that. And then when you're done, hit submit by hitting the green check mark. And the next activity you're going to complete, once I get there, is this even and odd numbers worksheet. There are important instructions that you'll hear. You're going to color the even numbers orange and the odd numbers yellow. So you'll cover even orange and odd yellow. So make sure you remember that. Up here it says even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. And odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on. Just remember that if you need to, you can always go back to this assignment and use that 10 frame. And then the next assignment you're going to complete for math today is this odd or even, and it already has those filled in for you. So it says count the objects, circle odd or even, and then you'll write the total of objects in here. So we'll do this one together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we know because it doesn't have a buddy that it's going to be an odd number, so you'll circle odd and write 5 in this line. So same thing when you're ready, hit the add response button and do that worksheet, and then you're going to hit the green check mark when you're all complete. So that's your work for today. Once again, don't forget to watch the mini lesson on Power School about evens and odds numbers. If you're having trouble with the video, you can go ahead and click right here, and that will take you directly to the link on YouTube to do that. And then you can go ahead and head over to Seesaw to complete your activities.